So iPhone is stuck with Apple logo problem. I will show you the three solution, and I already recover my phone with this method. So let's start it. First method is volume up and volume down. Then press and hold the power button until the logo gone. And let's say it's working or not. No, it's not working. So if this not working, then second method is charge your mobile phone by your cable, and same thing, volume up, volume down, and press and hold the power button, and press and hold the power button at least 10 or 20 seconds. Let's say it's working or not. No, it's not working. So final method, I will recover my phone with this method. You need to iTunes. You can use your MacBook or Windows. I am using the Windows. iTunes, download the iTunes latest version software, and then you have to connect your mobile phone with data cable with your PC. I am connecting my mobile with the PC, and then you can see this kind of pop-up. Press on OK, and you have to enter your Apple ID and password to log into your iTunes account, and then power volume up, volume down, and press and hold the power button until the logo comes. Press and hold, and once this image comes, you can see this kind of pop-up. Press on update. So you need to wait until the download complete. I am waiting. Now go to your iTunes, and press on update now. It's now coming. Press on update. And it's now downloading. So you have to press on next, agree. Agree. Make sure your phone is still connecting with your PC, and go to your iTunes. Then this logo, you can see your downloading file. It's a 8.33 GB, and once done, once file done, it will be updating. Now within a couple of hours, your phone will be recovered, hopefully. Thank you. Have a good day.